V1SE Disassembly-Free Unbinding. First, open the JCID repair on the computer. Take out V1SE and connect it to the computer. Open the accessory repair. After that, the connection message will pop up upgrade message, followed by upgrading to the latest version, and lastly, click OK. After the upgrade is complete, connect to Wi-Fi. First, check whether the phone system version is 15.0 to 16.12 version or not. Connect the same Wi-Fi as V1SE. Then we connect the phone to V1SE. This time will pop up Trust, Do Not Trust. We click Trust. Find the Unbinding app inside the V1SE programmer and click OK. Click in Sequence, Setting, General, VP and Device Management. After starting Unbinding, V1SE will automatically install CheckM8 app to the phone. Click Enterprise app, click Trust. Then open the CheckM8 app on your phone. When pop up, click Land Cellular. When pop up, click OK. Click OK. When V1SE displays Unbind success, the progress is finished. ElecWorld has a professional and strong technical team. Our parts are with perfect quality, competitive prices, and extremely fast delivery. We look forward to collaborating with repair shops, wholesalers, and refurbishment companies all over the world to help your business grow and profit. Please subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring more updates.